guys, Josh here.
Michelle.
And we got Bill and Amanda here for a treat box. So
Another one.
Yep. Well, they wouldn't know. Well, we're gonna actually put these out, not 6 months later.
Yeah.
So, oh,
Is this France?
no, that's Ireland.
Ireland.
How come I don't know any flags?
Ireland.
I don't know.
How do you guys know flags?
I know some.
Yeah, I don't know very many.
I only know like
Yep.
China.
You're right.
Ireland.
Ireland. Welcome to
Oh,
Ireland.
The luck of the eye.
Did you read anything?
I'm
last time?
Irish. Yeah, I read a couple
Yeah.
pages.
So we got 1, 2,
Oh,
3, 4, 5, 6 things.
man,
Okay.
they're loading them up.
Northern Ireland is governed by the United Kingdom, while the rest of Ireland is independent nation. What is that?
Whoa.
Triple X.
Triple X.
Leprechauns are a huge part of Irish tradition. In Irish folklore, there are tiny men who can fit on top of your shoulder. They are completely harmless and are believed to have buried numerous pots of gold throughout Ireland. We need pots of gold. We're at the
Yeah.
casino.
Our leprechaun hasn't brought us any.
No.
pots
Hey, I
of
did
gold
good
yet.
last just a bit ago. Oh well. Hey, right now I'm proud to say I'm down for the whole trip $300.
Excuse me.
There you go.
That's not bad.
For the whole
Yeah.
trip, I'm down 100.
Yeah.
You guys don't have to
I
say.
don't know.
For the whole trip. I
Don't want to say.
remember.
We're having fun.
Okay.
Proud even.
That's right.
And
So-
if we can find a leprechaun, I'm a big person, so just an average sized person looks like a leprechaun on my shoulder.
So we got the first thing we got is a Round Trees Fruit Pastille by Nestle.
Oh, Nestle.
That's these.
Okay.
That sounds like a legit company.
Yes, it
Nestle.
is. Says these are chewy fruit flavored gummies that contain real fruit juice and no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. Initially introduced back in 1881,
Whoa.
fruit pastilles
Oh, wow.
are a timeless and classic treat.
They're all green.
They made these in 1881?
Yes, they did.
Man, that's got to be out of date.
Oh, this one's yellow.
Mm.
I got a yellow one.
Mm.
It's almost like fruit slices, but
Mhm.
chewier.
Oh,
These are good.
Nabisco, you did a good job with these.
what's going on?
I don't know. Slamming stuff.
Somebody's trying to get in the treat box video. You stay out.
These are really good.
Okay, I'm gonna save these for last because they're mints.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
we learned our lesson.
Yeah.
Can you take these back or?
Next up is Tato Snacks. What an inventive name.
Chato.
Snacks.
Tato.
Well, we knew we had to have potatoes.
And it says,
Yeah.
especially crunchy fluffy potatoes with cheddar cheese and onion flavor.
Oh no!
Brings you an addicting Irish taste. These delicious snacks,
You guys.
potato puffs, are pure sunflower oil and suitable for vegetarians.
Okay.
Oh, suitable for vegetarians. Where's Deb when you need her?
No, I'm probably not.
Gluten free.
Yeah.
Yeah, potatoes are gluten free.
Okay.
Oh, they smell like straight onion.
Oh,
dude.
yep.
Almost like a Pringle.
Like
Not
an
bad.
onion Pringle.
Yeah,
Don't like them.
the texture's weird.
You like them, Bill?
I like the flavor.
They taste like onions.
Now Amanda's gonna give you a kiss in just a minute and
Oh, no, she is not.
We got the
onion
mint.
breath.
Oh.
Amanda, you're done with those.
No, she can have them.
Well, we're getting on to the other snacks.
Oh.
You can't sit here and eat the whole snack. She can have them, but not right now. Okay, the
Can't
next
have
one
'em.
is what? Oh, this sandwich snack, milk chocolate sandwich biscuit. They love. Oh, it's by Cadbury, Bill.
Oh, we love Cadbury.
Oh.
It's a chocolate sandwich bar with milk chocolate filling, sandwiched between two scrumptious shortcake squares
Uh-oh.
for an indulgent biscuit snack.
Biscuit.
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 Biscuity, it says. Get out of here.
I kind of broke it
Oh,
uneven, but that's
big.
okay. You take a bite.
Yeah.
Oh, it has a weird, like a perfumey taste.
No, I like that. Definitely
It's
contains
some
Cadbury
different
chocolate.
flavor though.
It's
Right,
a
Bill?
Cadbury
Is it?
chocolate.
Oh man, that's what I'm not used to.
I like the
It's
Cadbury
like
chocolate.
rich chocolate.
Yeah.
Yep.
I like Cadbury.
Somebody is having gymnastics. They're doing a lot of activities.
Yeah.
I didn't think it went up to
I didn't
7.
think so either.
Unless they're in the roof.
I don't know what that is. Curly Whirlies
People would do
By
anything
Nestle.
to get these videos.
is a great chocolate snack for kids and grown-ups alike. This classic has been around since 1971, and if you're wondering
Broken.
what it is, just imagine a caramel ladder which has been covered in delicious Cadbury milk chocolate. So this is Cadbury as well.
Yeah, Cadbury.
This is caramel.
Mm.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
I got it all in my mouth.
Mmm.
Isn't what she said?
Cadbury has great caramel.
I like Cadbury.
Mm-hmm.
That one's good.
Mmm. That's wonderful. There's none left?
No, we ate it all.
I got like a little piece.
See.
Are you kidding?
I still have some left in my mouth.
Ew.
You guys will be sharing enough anyway
Darn,
soon.
probably took
Chip sticks
Oh.
more
by Tato.
Potato.
Baked salty stick shaped potato treats, perfectly crisp and crunchy texture.
Big salty sticks.
Yup.
Baked salty.
This flavor combination brings a tangy, acid taste,
Ooh.
authentic, strong potato flavor.
It's salt and vinegar.
Oh.
I love it.
I'm not
It
a
smells good. You like
Oh,
salt and vinegar?
Yeah, it looks like a French fry.
Here you go, babe.
It's tangy.
Ooh. That is hitting.
Okay, Amanda.
You can have those ones. I'll have the other
They're
potato.
good.
Mm. The vinegar taste is not overbearing.
Nope.
Really good though.
It cleans the palate.
Yeah, very
All
good.
this Sugar and stuff.
You have
Yep.
one of those in between your meals, guys.
Yep.
Cleanse the palate.
Okay, seriously strong
Seriously.
triple X mints.
Triple X.
Peppermint, extra strong mints, seriously strong. Amanda, you'll need these.
I know. After all the
Well, you ate
potatoes,
these.
onions.
You know what? I've sold videos about this. The Triple X.
Yeah, I'm sure you have.
Yeah,
Oh,
Bill.
it may have not been exactly the same stuff.
Amanda's
Triple
family's
X
gonna
mints.
watch this like.
Are seriously strong mints with an
He
extra
knows
powerful
one.
kick of peppermint. Traditionally hard pressed, triple X mints have an unrivaled mint flavor, guaranteed to leave your mouth feeling clean and fresh.
Okay, let's see.
Oh, these are definitely hard pressed.
These remind me of Bill! God. These are good.
These remind me of Wilhelmina mints.
Wilhelmina's.
I've never
Yep.
had those.
Okay, guys. The best thing to me was
That Cadbury
the
ladder.
Curly Whirly Cadbury caramel.
No,
Cadbury.
I like the other Cadbury thing.
Michelle likes this Cadbury thing. Snacks.
Mhm.
What do you like, Amanda?
I like those potatoes.
The onion?
ones.
Are you kidding? You like this sick stuff?
Well, the caramel one was good too, but you
Okay.
can pick the caramel.
What's the
What did
worst?
Bill like?
Cadbury ladder.
Okay.
That was really good.
The
Man,
worst?
the worst? I'm gonna say these. The onions. Michelle?
I'm gonna say the onions.
I
Bill?
would say the onions.
There's one in the chocolate. What was?
You didn't like the first one, the one I liked the best.
Yeah. You
that
said
one.
it's a perfume flavor. There was no perfume flavor.
Yeah,
Okay,
that one.
weirdest. I'm gonna say the vinegar ones, but they were still good.
I'm gonna say that.
Cause I didn't expect them to look like little French fries.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
say the caramel ladder.
What do you think, Bill? Weirdest.
Weirdest is the vinegar. the
But they're
French
good
fries.
though.
No, they're good, but it's just weird. Like
Yeah.
I didn't expect it to be like a French fry.
Right. What do you say, Amanda? The weirdest.
The vinegar fries.
Okay.
You know what I say? Don't sleep on those gummies though.
Oh,
Gummies be
dude,
hitting.
Oh,
these
yeah.
gummies are
Oh, yeah.
hidden.
I
Yeah.
forgot about those.
This is actually this box was
Best
wonderful.
box.
That was a good box. Maybe all the people from Ireland should ship all their treats to Rush.
Here you go, Amanda.
Because those Russian people.
What do you say, Amanda?
Pretty please.
Oh god.
Michelle?
I don't want those now. I just had mint.
I know. I haven't
Bill, what did you want? The gummies?
I got chocolate on me.
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Wait, is this chocolate?
Okay, guys. Bye. We had fun.
Here's this.
That was fun.